Hello everyone, my name is Aliriza, and it's an honor today to present you our product called AngelAid. So at the beginning I want to give you a history of the product, because the history of the product is the heart of the product. So we started the project in 2022 with the help of the University of ATS in Montreal, and at the beginning of the project the feasibility phase was so low, and we didn't have that much feasibility to see, okay, is it possible to develop a new innovative car to help the society. So at that time we said, okay, it's possible or not, and at the beginning in all the scientific literature we didn't find that much information that motivate us to go one step more. So we developed a small-scale prototype at EDS, and then we started to do the test if the technology works or not, and it was success. And then we go one step forward, and we went to to have a proof of concept, and we developed concept with the polymer body to at the same time to verify the performance as well as to see the feedback of the market. And then when we received the good feedback from the market and from the client, we went one step more, and then we said, okay, it's the project that worth to invest more. So we brought different partners and manufacturers all based in Quebec, and we brought them together, and we had our own team. We put the roadmap on the table. At the end, after a lot of efforts and hours trying and investing the time, energy, and thanks to the great team, different team that collaborated with us, finally we came up with this product. So that was the story of the product. So first of all, why we developed this card? It's not only a card, because the cards exist all around the world. We can find in Europe, in America, all the countries. This technology already exists. But there is a big difference. Here, we didn't think just about developing a product. We also think about the nature and the environment. So we went one step further than the current product in the market, and we developed a technology based on the Peltier. So this technology is there isn't any gas inside, which is not good for the environment, and at the same time the maintenance and the cost is also less than the other product in the market. This card has two sides: the cold side here on the right and the left side on the left, which is the hot side. So if you open the door, separator, which is all made from the environmental friendly material, and we develop all these separators with the 3D printer technology. So here we can take out the tray easily, and we can put it inside as well. Just only one push. So we put the hot cooked food on the left, and the cold served food like salad, like dessert, on the right. But it's not only about the hot and cold. We have two sensors. If the door is not yet closed as it should be, there is an alarm system that gonna gives a heads up to the people and the end user. So both sides consist of the 12 trays that we can put from top to bottom. And for cleaning itself, we can easily take out the separator and clean inside, and then push back easily inside the car. So that's about the inside, and I would like to add that the material that we use for inside, it's all respecting the norms for health security. What does it mean? That we use stainless steel inside, so which is respecting the current norm for interior of the food carts. So since it's a stainless steel inside and there is no electric cable embedded inside, if the water or if the food dropped inside the each side of the box, inside of the car, so what you can do, just only take out the separator and you can easily wipe it with any clothes that you have. So it's nothing to be worried about, and it's easy to clean since it's stainless and steel inside. So there is a question here, how we can do the cleaning inside the car. It's very easy. You just take out the tray and also the separator, and with whatever the cleaning material that you have in your institute, so you can just put spray the material, the liquid or spray that you have, and then just wipe it with a towel or with the fabric that you have on your hand. So the color that we used here, it's a white color, and it's an antibacterial color that we applied on the body. And we put two gripper here to rub, so it can help you to replace easily the card itself. And we consider different type of the people with different type of hands, so everyone can grab it and just replace the card. And also I would like to add that we have the wheel that is equipped with the brake, so it's very easy. They just put it on the brake with their foot and you get lucky. So, and also these days we can see that when the people in different institutes replace the car, they have an accident with the wall. So we thought about that. That's why we put these rolling bumper all four corners of the car. So it's like a damper that and it absorbs the impact. So, and also we thought about another aspect on the top. There is a curvature that we embedded on the top. So if you have something that you put on the top and you want to move, it doesn't slide and get back on the both side of the car. So this curvature works as a stopper to avoid the slipping of your stuff on the top on the cover. As you can see, this is the back of the car. So on the back, we can see some holes here. These are the holes for ventilation. And we should be careful about these holes, and we shouldn't block these holes. Otherwise, it's gonna impact the performance of the car. Like all the cooling system around the world, this car as well needs the air circulation. So we shouldn't put something to block this air circulation system. And we put some filters. These filters are washable filters and easy to wash. You just take it out and then wash it, and then you put it back. But it's not something that you need to do it daily or weekly. For sure, it depends on the environment, how dusty it is. But in general, it's not something that you need to do on a daily basis. And we can see that the cable, we put the hang-up system, which is very easy. You just put it, and then you can lock it in the bracket that is printed here. So there is an important point that I want to explain. This card has been built with a standard cable, so it means that you can connect it to the electricity, standard electricity in North America. So it doesn't need to establish a new installation and electricity for your system. So you can use whatever you have in hand and near to the place that you want to use, and you just need to plug it. The voltage is the standard voltage, 110 volt, which is North America standard. And for the security reason, we put a fuse. So this fuse, if there is a problem in the electricity system, that works as a broker and cut the electricity to the machine. And in the case that if you have any condensation because of the humidity or whatever, the water goes here and you can easily empty this reservoir to your place. And how does it work? We have a sensor on the top inside the car. If the water level goes up, you can hear the alarm, and this alarm tells you that it's time to empty your water tank. So around the body, we put some pieces that works as a bumper and a shock absorber. So it means that during the long-term usage, like for example, put your car in the elevator. If there is an accident, these pieces can absorb the shock. So this was the whole of the body. Now the most important question: how can we turn on the machine? So we put two buttons here, the button number 1 and the button number 2. The button number 1 is a main key that allows the electricity comes inside the machine. And the second button is the standby button. So whenever you want to use it, you keep it for 3 seconds. And whenever you want to stop the machine, you then again keep it for 3 seconds. And the color around the button gonna change from green to red. Green, it means that it works. And red, it means that it's on the standby mode. And be careful. So when you want to turn off your car, do not just go with the button number 1. You should wait and give some time to the machine to get down the temperature of the module inside. And then when the ventilation system stops working, then you can push the button number 1. So this is the body, which is the same on the left and the right hand of the car. We embedded some shock absorber on the both sides. So there's a question: why are we embedded this? Because according to the study that we saw on the previous product, we saw that when the people move the car inside the corridor, especially in the old care centers, there is a standing, and also inside the hospitals, there is a rod for people to take it to go through the corridor. And when the staff want to move the car, they're gonna have an accident and have a scratch on the body. So we implement these pieces to not only absorb the shock and also be a protective material and react to any scratch that can be caused by the rods installed on the walls.